Hello everyone, welcome to General Studies 5. Remember I had given you some words. Here are the plural forms of those words. Lwek, singular, plural is Belwek, which is pastors. Zarab, singular, Bizarab, plural, prophets. Tom is singular, Betom, plural, that is apostles. Matbasa, singular, its plural form is Bimatbasa, which is teachers. Mat Sharai Yeget Yat, singular, Bimat Sharai Yeget Yat, plural, which means evangelists. Duk Wusal, singular, Biduk Wusal, plural, which is churches. And Bok Basa Dagwi, singular, Bibok Basa Dagwi, plural, which means Bibles. That is all for now. Bye.